Kids' educational rhyme videos are getting huge engagement on YouTube right now. Look at this channel. This channel is gaining millions of followers from this kind of content. Start by creating a unique child character. First, take a screenshot of this character and paste it into ChatGPT and paste this character prompt. For this prompt's document is attached in description below. AI image generator creates a high-quality 3D cartoon character now. Save the image for later use. Next, music generation concepts. Copy this music generation prompt from document and paste it here. It will give you 10 different kind of ideas. Now for lyrics generation, copy this lyrics prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. But here you should paste the idea that you want to create. I go with no 2. It will generate the verse. Now ask him to. I just need a rhythm so I can copy it and directly paste inside lyrics generation tool. Once the lyrics are ready, copy it and go to Google Gemini, select the Create Music option and paste lyrics here. It will convert the lyrics into a catchy children's song with vocals and rhythm. Save the music file. Now, video generation prompt, just copy it and again, paste it into ChatGPT. It'll give you 6 to 7 scenes video prompt ready for generation. Now go to Google Flow and import your character image as a reference image. Paste first scene video prompt and hit the generate button. In seconds, first scene video is ready. Now, same as it is create second scene video. Generate each scene individually using this prompt. Continue until all scenes have been created. After generating the clips, download them and import everything into a video editor like CapCut. Place the scenes in order, add the music track, trim unnecessary sections, and adjust timing for smooth transitions. Now our final video is ready.
5 little frogs on a log. Hop, hop, hop through the fog. 1 jumps down
2
with a splash.
3
Ripples go
4
dash, dash,
5
dash. Hop, hop, 1, 2, 3. Hop, hop, come with me.
Export the final video. If you found this workflow useful, subscribe for more AI content tutorials and creative video ideas.